Hello and welcome back to the Ramsey Cole Racing YouTube page. Today, I've driven the go-kart around a little bit, and it just started raining. So, as you can see, it's raining a bit, and it just started that right when around the time it's supposed to be getting dark. A few of the problems I had with the go-kart. Number one, right front tire went bad, so I put a trike tire on that one, and this tire is still a little bit flat, but it'll do. Another thing that's going on is that's not enough. Apparently the chain's getting a little loose. As you can see, it's on the ground. This is kind of going away, but it'll hold on for right now, and the throttle seems to get stuck quite often. So I probably need to change something up with that. Another thing that I can't really fix, or I don't know how to, is that spark plug keeps coming out. Now this tire actually wobbles a bit, so I'm going to put another spacer in between it and hopefully get that to stop that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. When I first started out, the clutch started smoking, and it's kind of it's not doing that anymore, because I had put oil on it before to slide it on there, and that's what why it was burning at first. One more thing, this gets hot back here because it's actually on the exhaust pipe. So yeah, that gets a little hot back there. That's why I gotta wear the suit. But other than that, it seems to run fine. The brake isn't a problem as I thought it would be, so that's good. But everything else, it works fine. I spun out a couple times. That was fun. I'm probably gonna put a seatbelt in there because I slide around quite a bit. But other than that, it works great.